Today I'm going to show you my mega size SD card, which is exactly 10 times larger than a normal SD card, including an adapter make it works on any camera. It can actually be unlocked to reveal extra features. Useless bot. This is not a sponsored video. It's only for fun. Some features are not practical at all. Unlock and opening the SD card. There is a 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, an open sourced microcontroller for the breathing LED, the SD card core, a cooling fan, and a GPS tracking beacon. The battery provides power to the LED and the cooling fan. There's a standard USB-A port for charging your phone or even camera in an emergency. It can be recharged by a standard micro USB port. The open source microcontroller provides flexibility to the LED blinking pattern. By importing different settings, you can change the pattern to strobe, breathe, or blink. It helps you find the SD card in the dark. Maybe you drop your SD card in a bush for whatever reason, you can still find it. The SD card core can be changed easily when you want to upgrade or downgrade. The cooling fan keeps the core working at a maximum efficiency. Using your iOS Find app, you can track down your SD card location if it got stolen or lost. You can control the GPS beacon to emit sound, helping you pinpoint the location. Comes with a unique micro SD to SD adapter. You can fit this card into any camera that uses standard SD, including a mount, so you can fix it onto the camera hot shoe. Let's insert the SD card and test it out. Take some photos and video. Oh my god, it's really worked. All the photos and video are saved. The huge size SD card also comes with extra features. For example, on sunny day, it provides a huge shade so you can see the screen clearly. Work even better than all the screen shade in the world, so you don't need to squint your eyes. It also works like an umbrella on rainy day, so you don't need to use all sort of weird ways to keep your camera dry. The reinforced laminate case make it indestructible. Only got some minor scratches after our bend test and hammer test. This project will become the first video of a series of enlarging daily life things into 10 times bigger and add features into it. All was done by myself alone from zero. The design, drawing, graphic, model making, video taking, editing, voiceover, etc. The only outsourced part is the printing of the big packaging foam board and the plastic translucent graphic. This project took me 3 weeks to finish. The SD card was made by 3mm plywood, laser cut, then superglued together. All the woods and the 3D printed lock button were sanded and spray painted into black or gray. The connector of the SD card was made by thin copper, comes with tape. Then, an SD card slot from a cheap China card reader was taken out and soldered to the copper connector. The controller of the LED is an Arduino Nano with a MOSFET. Wood cutouts were stick to the translucent graphic to block the unwanted light. A 3D printed light box was spray painted silver inside and black outside. The adapter was also made as the same way as the card. Brass sheets are used as an adapter connector, cut out in strips and bent to shape, then slot into the case. The most problematic part is the extension cord to the real size SD card. At first, the only thing I can use is this SD to micro SD adapter, but the pin separation are very small, so I selected a narrow flex flat cable. It took me a whole day to solder it, but find out the cable are too thin. The camera cannot detect the card. Therefore, I changed it to a much thicker flex flat cable. Luckily, I found an extended SD to mini SD adapter. So, the final version looks like this. Please subscribe for more video and support. Thank you.